So I got some news. Maybe about 2 hours ago, boat started to make a little noise. The noise continued for a while until I pushed that button over there to stop it. Long story short, boat fired up for the first time today. So I'd say I'm really stoked, and I am pretty stoked, but still we actually need to bring it down to get some codes deleted off of here, and then do a water test. So once that all works, I'm going to be pretty damn happy, that's for sure. He didn't even seal the front here.
What?
He didn't even seal the front. There's no Sikaflex, nothing in there. I think it's all just bare aluminum.
That's all. It was all pouring out of the front.
Dude, this is crazy.
I won't be surprised if you pull that and
there's nothing. People wondering what my last post was about. It's about this. And how, see, there used to be an engine here. There no longer is. Well, it's because my last boat builder, again, God bless him, doesn't know how to seal an intake onto a jet boat, apparently, because, like, I flipped this shit around. So right here, all the water was coming. Where am I? Over here. All the water was seeping out like crazy. And I take these bolts out, and wouldn't you know, there's no Sikaflex. Nothing. So just... great. Had a bunch of people ask now why I don't put the guy on blast who I paid to build a boat. Simple reason is, this isn't going to stand. I'm getting my money back. And obviously there's going to be some legal due process with that. So that's why I'm not going to put anybody on blast. But I know why it leaks. I'll show you that much at least. You see this? This right here, not where the engine used to be, but right here. The stomp grate is, and all this. The bottom flange for my jet pump housing goes. Yeah, that's supposed to be sealed. It's supposed to be Sikaflex, or like a silicone that goes on here. And as you can see, there's nothing. Nothing. There's a little bit on the back there, but it's basically like paint. So no wonder it was like Noah's Ark just flooding through here. And I'll hop out and show you what it looks like. Get a load of this shit. See this right here? See all those little nice lines? It's like you can tell flat out. Some Sikaflex got put in here. You just let this sit in the sun and with your finger, just, paint her on nice like that instead of running a bead. This was dry. That did nothing. You go here, same deal. It was spread on nice with his finger in the back. And oh, you know what? Forget that spot right there. That doesn't matter. Oh, forget that. Oh, forget that. Oh, forget that. Just, it's not like this needs to seal out water or anything. Alrighty, I appreciate a lot of the guys like, oh yeah, it's so bad. No, I feel so shitty, whatever. And yeah, okay, that's all fine and good. Appreciate it, kind of, sort of. But, this is like, sure, a lot of guys understand. Yeah, you can gripe about it. Or grab a wrench, fix it, do something. Because that's the only choice I have. So, yeah, today, right now, get a razor blade and cut the silicone off of the intake over there. Clean it up with, what the hell? I have the drill, brake cleaner. Then I got the right stuff. That's what it's called. It's actually called the right stuff. Gonna seal that, get her planted down, and then by tomorrow, should be dry. We're gonna drop the engine back in here. Get the drive shaft back in, get the jet pump back on, and I wanna be back on the water tomorrow afternoon. Mark my words. It'll happen tomorrow. And, one more thing. To the girlfriend of the guy who built my boat. Just thought I'd let you know, I see that you watch my stories. Nobody knew who built my boat until you sent a comment. So, with that said, I don't need to say anything else. I will let the work speak for itself. Much love. And that's how you seal a jet pump. Told you guys. Round 2. Ready to rock. Hopefully. We'll find out soon. So, it was a crazy 24 hours. Obviously, boat almost sunk yesterday. You guys know all about that. But now, starting last night, peeled everything out like you saw, resealed the jet intake, and this morning, engine went back in, realigned, anchor down, plumb back in, and filled with fluids. So right now, I'm towing her, and I'm off to Stave. So I'm gonna go to the boat launch. Hopefully not have any more mishaps happen, but we'll see what's up. Well, surprising what happens when it's actually sealed.
We dry?
Yeah, I even remember to put the plugs in, so. I told you. Flip this shit around.